Well guys, till now in this lecture we have discussed about the accuracy and the precision. We were discussing about the significant figures. Now let's discuss about the rules of addition and multiplication. Now let me explain you the rules of addition and subtraction in the case of significant numbers. Now, calculation involving addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, the final result depends on the number with the minimum number of the decimal places. What does it mean? We will come to know about this thing when we will solve a numerical. Let's do it. Now what is saying? What is the sum of 2.368 kg and 1.02 kg? The solution will be now we have to add them. So 2.368 plus 1.02, and if we add them we will get 8, 8, 3, 3 and one decimal between both the 3. Now what is saying? He is saying that the number with the minimum number of decimal places. It means that what we have to do, the answer will depend on that number which will have the least number of significant figures. What? Least number of significant figures after decimal. So here after decimal we are having 3 significant figures and here we are having only 2 significant figures. So in the answer we should have 2 significant figures. That's why we have to round it off. So when we will round off, we will get 3.3. Now this is 8 and after 8 there is another 8 and 8 is greater than 5. That's why 1 will be added here. So our final answer will be 3.39 kgs. So that's how we will solve these kind of problems. We will add or subtract in this manner. Let's see what is the rule for multiplication and division. Calculation involving multiplication and division. In multiplication and division, the final result that will depend on the number having significant digit as number within the least number of significant digits. It means that the answer will depend on that number which will have the least number of significant figures in total. Right? Let's solve a problem. So now in this question is asking, perform the following calculations to the appropriate number of significant digits. Now what we are doing in this question, we are multiplying and dividing. And what is the rule for multiplying and dividing? That we have to check which number is having the least number of significant figures, right? So if we talk about this 4.0, it is having total number of significant digits that is equal to 2. 6.02, it is having 3, and 4.00, it is having 3 significant figures in total. It means that our answer will depend on this 4.0, and in our answer the total number of significant figures will be equal to 2, right? So the solution will be 6.02 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 multiplied by 4.00 divided by 4.0 multiplied by 10 to the power 20. Now first what we will do, we are dividing these two, and when dividing we will get 10 to the power 3, right? Now this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, but you have to keep in mind the answer will be having two significant digits, and what we are getting? We are getting 6.02 into 10 to the power 3, and we will write 6.0 after rounding off 6.02. We will get 6.0 because 2 is less than 5, and it will be into multiplied by 10 to the power 3, right? So this is the final answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now in this question it is given the mass of wood block is 6.932 grams and the density of the wood is 7.7 gram per centimeter cube, right? What is its volume? This is asked, and express the result to the appropriate number of the significant figures. So what we have to do? Let's move on to the solution. We have to find out the volume. Now we all know that density is equal to mass by volume. Therefore, the volume will be equal to mass upon density. Now, the mass which is given to us, or you can say weight, that is 6.932 gram. So volume will be 6.932 grams divided by 7.7. Now 7.7 is the density. Now what we are doing? We are dividing. So our answer will depend on that number in which there are least number of significant figures in total. So in 7.7 there are two significant figures. In 6.932 there are four significant figures. That's why our answer will depend on 7.7, means in our answer there will be only two significant figures, and if we divide we will get 0.90, and since we are finding the volume it will be centimeter cube, right? Now this is the end of the lecture, and in the next lecture we are going to discuss about the laws of combinations. Till then, goodbye.